If you want to invite friends in Epic Games, whether you're trying to add someone to your friends list or bring them into a game like Fortnite, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. It's quick, simple, and once you know where to click, you can send invites in just a few moments. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Epic Games Launcher and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner and find the social icon. It looks like two people. This is where your friends list and social options are located. Click that icon to open the social panel. Inside the social panel, you'll see an option that says Add Friends. Click on that, and Epic Games will give you a search box where you can look up the person you want to add. You can search by their username or, in some cases, their email address. Make sure you type it correctly, because Epic will only show matching accounts. After you find the right person, send them a friend request. Once they accept it, they'll appear in your friends list. This is the first important step, because you usually need someone added as a friend before you can invite them into your party or game session. Now that your friend has been added, go back to your friends list, click on their name, and you should see an option to invite them. Select Invite, and Epic Games will send them a party invitation. If they are online, they can join right away. If they're not online yet, they'll still see the invitation when they log in. If you're playing a game like Fortnite, the process is very similar, but you'll usually do it from inside the game lobby. Once you're in the lobby, look for the lobby menu. From there, click Add Friends again if you need to search for someone, or open your friends list and choose the friend you want to invite. After that, click their name and send the invite directly from the lobby. This is especially useful if you're trying to squad up quickly before starting a match. You can also use this method to manage your party, check who's online, and make sure everyone is ready before you launch into the game. If you don't see your friend right away, double check that you both have the correct Epic username, and make sure your privacy settings allow friend requests and invites. Sometimes people can't be invited because they haven't accepted the request yet, or because their settings are restricting social features. So to recap, the full process is: open the social icon in Epic Games, choose Add Friends, search for the username or email, send the request, wait for acceptance, then click their name and invite them from your friend list or from the in-game lobby. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.